In today's topic, we will explore 10 proven prompt engineering techniques in ChatGPT to quickly learn any new skill. So, let's get started. The Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule, suggests that roughly 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. To apply this in ChatGPT, concentrate on the most important 20% of prompts to obtain 80% of the desired information or assistance, optimizing your interactions for efficiency. Here's an example. Focus on the 20% most impactful tips for effective time management. And ChatGPT responds with 20% of the top time management tips like time blocking, planning ahead, using time management tools, batching similar tasks, using the 2-minute rule, etc. Visualization in ChatGPT is a cognitive technique where you create mental images to better understand or prepare for various topics or skills. You can ask ChatGPT to guide you through visualization exercises to mentally simulate situations, aiding in learning, problem solving, and goal achievement. Here's an example prompt. Lead me through a visualization exercise for mastering a musical instrument, allowing me to imagine playing complex melodies flawlessly during live performances. This prompt will help you improve your skills on a musical instrument, and it's specifically about imagining yourself playing difficult songs perfectly during live performances. In simpler terms, it's like creating a mental movie where you play the instrument flawlessly, which can actually help improve your real-life performance when you practice and perform in front of an audience. The Feynman technique is a method for achieving a deeper understanding of a subject. It involves simplifying and explaining the topic as if you were teaching it to a child. By breaking down complex ideas into easy-to-understand language and concepts, you can identify gaps in your understanding and fill them in, leading to a more profound grasp of the material. Here's an example prompt. Please use the Feynman technique to explain the concept of blockchain in simple terms. In this prompt, you are asking ChatGPT to use the Feynman technique to describe blockchain to a child. So, it explains it as a digital notebook that everyone watches, and when someone adds something, everyone gets a copy, making it hard to erase or change. The aim is to simplify the complex concept of blockchain for those with little prior knowledge, using the Feynman technique for deeper and clearer understanding. The deliberate practice routine is a systematic and focused approach to skill improvement. It involves setting specific, challenging goals, practicing intensely with full concentration, and seeking feedback for continuous refinement. This method is designed to push individuals beyond their current skill level and is a proven way to achieve mastery in various fields. Here's an example prompt. I want to excel in my tennis skills. Can you provide guidance on setting up a deliberate practice routine to help me improve my game? This prompt seeks advice on creating a focused practice routine for tennis skill improvement, involving goal setting, concentrated training, feedback, and systematic enhancement through a weekly schedule, drills, footwork and conditioning, addressing weaknesses, mental training, periodic assessments, etc. And ChatGPT can guide you in becoming a better tennis player. Interleaving in ChatGPT refers to a technique where you alternate between different topics or subjects during a conversation, rather than discussing one topic at length. It allows for a more dynamic and varied interaction. This method can be useful when you want to cover multiple areas of interest or seek diverse information. Here's an example prompt. Let's have an interleaving conversation about topics like space exploration, climate change, and renewable energy. Share interesting insights on each, one after the other. In this prompt, you're asking ChatGPT to engage in an interleaving conversation. Instead of focusing solely on one topic, you want to explore multiple subjects in a dynamic manner. ChatGPT will provide insights on space exploration, then transition to climate change, and finally to renewable energy, creating a more varied and engaging conversation that covers a range of subjects. Storytelling in ChatGPT involves crafting narratives or anecdotes to convey information, entertain, or engage the audience. It's a powerful way to make content more relatable and memorable. ChatGPT can generate stories on a wide range of topics, from illustrating complex concepts to sharing personal experiences or anecdotes. Here's an example prompt. Share a short story that illustrates the scientific concept of photosynthesis to help me remember and grasp this biological process better. This prompt requests ChatGPT to use storytelling to explain the scientific concept of photosynthesis in a memorable way. ChatGPT weaves a story about 𝐬𝐚𝐽, a wise old tree living in a sun-dappled forest. Each spring, he bursts into a colorful display of green leaves, captivating all the forest's creatures. This narrative simplifies the intricate biological process, linking it to a memorable story for better understanding and recall. Mental models concept involves seeking help from ChatGPT to build mental models or analogies that simplify and improve the understanding and retention of essential ideas in a specific topic or skill. These models and analogies act as mental shortcuts, making complex concepts more accessible and memorable. It's a technique for enhancing learning and comprehension. Here's an example prompt. Help me build mental models or analogies to better grasp and remember the core principles of financial accounting. This prompt seeks ChatGPT's aid to simplify financial accounting concepts through mental models or analogies for better understanding and memory. The aim is to enhance your understanding and memory of fundamental principles by associating them with relatable concepts. For instance, think of the balance sheet as a snapshot, the income statement as a movie, auditing as a detective story, or the cash flow statement as a bank statement. Active recall in ChatGPT is a learning technique that involves actively retrieving information through questioning. Rather than passively consuming content, you prompt ChatGPT with questions to recall and explain specific details or concepts. This practice enhances memory and comprehension by actively engaging you in the learning process. Here's an example prompt. Let's use active recall to practice French vocabulary. I'll ask about various objects or concepts in English, and you'll recall and provide the corresponding French word or phrase. In this example, active recall is applied to language learning. You actively engage ChatGPT by asking questions about English terms, and it retrieves the corresponding French translations. So, let's ask in English, a man riding a horse, and ChatGPT provides the French translation, making it an effective way to practice and learn vocabulary. Learning Modalities is asking ChatGPT to recommend a range of learning resources, such as videos, books, podcasts, and interactive exercises for a specific topic or skill. These resources should be diverse and suitable for different learning styles, ensuring that users can choose materials that best match their individual preferences and needs. Here's an example prompt. Recommend a set of learning materials for mastering the basics of programming in Python. Please include video tutorials, textbooks, podcasts, and interactive coding exercises. In this example, the prompt is asking ChatGPT to suggest a variety of resources for learning Python programming, catering to different learning styles like visual, textual, auditory, and hands-on. This showcases the versatility of ChatGPT in providing tailored recommendations. Spaced repetition is a learning technique that involves reviewing and reinforcing information at increasing intervals over time. In ChatGPT, this method can be employed to facilitate skill acquisition and retention. For instance, ChatGPT can provide periodic reminders, practice questions, or summaries of key points related to a skill you're trying to learn, optimizing memory retention and long-term understanding. Here's an example prompt. Assist me in mastering the basics of playing the guitar using spaced repetition. Provide a brief lesson today, then remind and reinforce these concepts at intervals of 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month. In this example prompt, you're instructing ChatGPT to help you learn to play the guitar through spaced repetition. It initially offers a brief lesson, and then it schedules subsequent reminders and reinforcement of the guitar playing concepts at increasing intervals, aligning with the principles of spaced repetition to enhance your learning and retention of the skill. So, that's it for today. And to gain a practical understanding of learning a new skill with minimal effort, it's recommended that you try these prompts yourself. Also, if you found this video helpful, then go ahead and hit that like button, share the video with your friends, and maybe subscribe.